next and big part of announces is AI support. So VS Code natively provides a powerful built-in AI support with a wide range of AI agents and providers. So AVstudio works with these AI capabilities out of the box. You can create pages, create containers, create elements, apply styles for all of these entities, and even generate complete pages using AI assistants. Because of our simple project structure and standard file formats, AI can easily read, understand, and navigate the project data, making it much more easier to work with your projects. Regarding the previous slide, it was a wrong file linked as a data source formatter, and I just ask AI to fix it. And AI can fix a broken link with just one simple prompt. No special training, no additional skills required. This is the power of simple project structure based on JSON, open file formats, and our truly open approach. Because the data is clear and accessible, AI can easily help us with fixing, with styling, with creating, with generating. It's cover all our needs, I would say.